Hello everyone! Today we will show you how to reball the BMW BDCl lmmo chip. Put the CPU to the base first. Then install the stencils. Once it fits properly, put the base on the magnetic platform. Because of magnetism, it will stick on place on its own. Okay, done. We put solder paste. A little bit is enough. Hold the stencil and spread it. Let's even it out. And remove the extra. Apply soldering paste. Like this. Use a hot air gun for heating. We need to hold it down with tweezers during the heating process, because there will be thermal deformation. This stencil may deform a bit. We started by focusing on one corner. Done. Now we wait for it to cool down. Then remove the stencils. After this tin bead is formed, its size is 0.45 millimeters. We took out the stencils. We need to use a bit of strength. This is the result. So it's very easy to use. CPU is ready to be soldered now.